Hello everybody, welcome back. My name's Septien, and I'm going to be unboxing today some inner monitors from Kinera. These are the Sif. I think that's Thor's girlfriend. Funny how she wasn't in any game. Anyway, these have a nice like hexagonal shape. I like Kinera's packaging. Really good. These are, let me see here. It says single dynamic driver. Kinera, make it clear, make it real. Okay. Let's see, sensitivity 112 decimals, impedance 32 ohms, driver 10 millimeter SPM, frequency range 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz, plug type 3.5 millimeter, interface, okay, these are different, MMCX, and the cable length is 1.2 meters. So let's open up this box and see what we got. I got the white version. I bought these from, I think, a seller on eBay in New York. I couldn't find these anywhere on Amazon, so I took a chance. I rolled the dice. Let's see what I get. Ooh, look at that. Because of you, we kept our promise. Okay. What's the promise? You gonna come back to Derry and kill the clown? I don't understand. All right, we got instruction manual. It says the sales signature of the Sif. I don't understand what any of that means. Well, we got a frequency response chart here. So you look like he's got plenty of bass. And also telling you how to take care of them, how to put them in your ears. What is this, a little warranty card, or how you can reach out to them? See, this is why I like some of these new inner monitor companies. They include a case. What else is inside the box? That's it? Okay. Well, that's all for that. Let's open these up. Ew, these pretty. Oh man, this cable feels pretty good. Very lightweight. Usually I thought they would be like heavier than that. Let me take this off of here. Well, let me put it in the camera so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Man, that's nice. Okay, let me roll that up. Yeah, pretty good 3.5. Seems sturdy. Only time will tell. I might replace this cable with a different one. I like the copper cables. Okay, pretty decent looking silicone tips on here. Let me take these off and look at the nozzle. Yeah, that's clean. That is clean. Look at that. Okay. Let me see. Now it says a MMCX connector. And what's the difference between that and a 2-pin? Well, the difference is I can't get this off of here. Yeah, I can't get that out of there. Now they go behind the ears. These are pretty. This wire right here. This is pretty stiff. We got branding. Okay, this is the right, and this one is the left. So you put them in your ears, they'll be facing outwards like that. Let me put them in my ears right quick and test out this cable. Ooh, that's comfortable. Nice snug fit. Good passive noise isolation. Okay, let me pull that cable down on my ears nice and snug. Yeah, not bad. I can't but get over how lightweight these are. They feel really good. And these are nice. I'm gonna do some testing on these and see how they sound. These, I think from my experience, I got the Kinera BD005 Pro. They're more of a bassy type of in-ear monitor. And I like bass because I'm a bass head. See, oh, I forgot to even talk about the different tips in here. I don't know what size is on though. I'm assuming medium because they fit my ears perfectly. Let me take these out of here. Okay, that looks like that might be a small. That's a large. Okay, no. Said 3 sizes. So that's large and this is small. And medium's already on here. Okay, well, this has been the unboxing of the Kinera Sif in-ear monitors. Leave a like, comment down below, and share this video, and thank you for watching.